Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. It is Friday, March 4th. We're going to take a look at one of the trade setups from the futures trading room today. Today was non-farm payroll, first Friday of the month. And one of the setups was in bonds. Now, we waited for this setup to occur, and we expected it to happen because it happens all the time with bonds and non-farm payroll. That's what we call a bear flag. So you can see where non-farm payroll came out right at 8:30 and bonds shot straight down through the floor. So right after non-farm payroll came out, you can see it just shot straight down through the floor. We went all the way down, hit significantly undervalued. Now in the trading room, I told everybody, look, the safest thing to do is to wait, because right after the announcement, a lot of times you're going to get choppy markets. It's going to bounce around. And I said, we're going to wait for about anywhere from an hour to 2 hours for a bear flag to occur on a 30-minute price chart. Now the bear flag setup is when we have these higher lows. So we had the down move initially, and then we have higher lows. We have bearish momentum on indicator line and histograms. And the trigger for the entry is the break of the previous bar's low, which was right over here when we broke below 162 in 20-30 seconds. So you waited for an hour and a half, breaks the low, ends up selling off very nicely from that 162 and 20 all the way down to 161 and 20. So you had about $1,000 contract worth of move before it since then bounced back up, or consolidated for a little bit and then bounced back up here over the past hour. But all in all, market moved exactly like we wanted to see it move, and the setup played out exactly how it was supposed to. So great job to everybody that took the trade. Great job to everybody that made money doing it. Now, the reason that I say this may end up moving further down is because we have that exact same setup, a daily bear flag, that just triggered on the dailies. So we had the 30-minute bear flag after the trading room, and now we have a daily bear flag. Now with a bear flag, we expect it to follow through for 2 to 3 days, just like we did 2 to 3 price bars on the 30-minute chart. Trigger 1, 2, and then went into consolidation. So that would mean we triggered today. We could expect it to follow through Monday and Tuesday of next week, potentially, or just Monday of next week, potentially, down to the 160 and 10-30-second support. So far it looks good. Great job to everybody in the trading room. Took the trade. It worked out really well. That's all I have for you for today. And until next time, happy trading.